Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Hello, I'm Hugh Dixon, and I'd like to welcome you to Hugo's Turkish Cassette course, which accompanies the textbook Turkish in 3 Months. Turkish in 3 Months is designed for people working without a teacher who want to acquire a good practical knowledge of the language in a short time. Before you begin, make sure you read the preface to the book and the instruction leaflet that's provided with the cassettes to get an overall picture of the recommended study plan and contents. At various points in the recording, you'll be given additional advice on how to use the taped material to your best advantage. I'd like you to meet the 2 native Turkish speakers you'll hear on these cassettes. One of them's the author.
Hello, I'm Bengisu Rona, and I very much hope that you'll enjoy this course.
And my name's Tayfun Ertan. You must listen to us very carefully and try to copy the way we speak our language.
Now that you've read the instruction leaflet and preface, and understood how you should tackle the work ahead of you,